बड़ी खबर इस वक्त सामने आ रही है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर। इंडियन एयरफोर्स चीफ का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में 6 पाकिस्तानी जेट तबाह किए। ये बड़ा खुलासा किया है एयरफोर्स चीफ ने। 5 पाकिस्तानी फाइटर जेट्स को भी तबाह किया गया। एक जासूसी विमान अवाकस को भी तबाह किया गया ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर। भारतीय एयरफोर्स के चीफ का ये बड़ा बयान सामने आया है, जिसमें वो ये कह रहे हैं कि 6 पाकिस्तानी जेट्स को तबाह किया गया है। इसके साथ ही 5 पाकिस्तानी फाइटर जेट्स भी जो हैं वो तबाह किए गए, जिसमें से एक जासूसी विमान अवाकस को भी तबाह किया गया है।
Open to public kind of area approach. So there was a lot of people who were going in and out. So on the net we could get pictures like this and videos like this. This is the same building that I just showed you. You look at the damage that has been caused inside. It's all on the open net available. So I have also picked up from there. Please listen. Okay, don't sleep. So we all know what happened, that unfortunate incident of Pahalgam, where so many people were killed. The nation had to respond, and all that is in open media. How we were trying to achieve some things diplomatically. At the same time, we had to give them a befitting reply. We had also said, it was made very clear that this time it should be an emphatic thing that we do. We must send the message across loud and clear to them. It should not be something just limited to launch pads and training areas. It should be, if the leadership, the terrorist leadership should be challenged. So we were all called in, and we discussed a few options. Then all the other agencies also joined in. And then we decided on those 9 targets. I don't know how clear it is here. From my angle, it's not looking very clear, the text part of it. Like you see, I can make it easier for you by the red dots that you see on the map were the 7 targets that were very close to the border and LC, and they were to be taken on by Army with their integral weapons. And those 2 blue dots, we've drawn them a little bigger. They were the 2 main headquarter buildings, that is Bahawalpur and Muridke, headquarter complexes, not buildings, that were to be taken on by Indian Air Force. So this was decided. Also, when I say taken on by Indian Air Force, that doesn't mean that only Indian Air Force was to work towards that. All of us were working together, including naval assets were involved in their weapons were used in these areas, their INT agencies were involved, and in the planning we were all, the 3 services together along with other agencies. So this plan was discussed, even the escalation metrics were made and discussed as to where can it lead to, what can happen, and if this happens, what is going to be our response. So it was a nicely planned out effort. And the date was decided, it was the 6th and 7th night date. And after the impact, it's not very clear, the display is not very clear, but I think the brightness of this big display is always an issue. So this is the DMPI, this is the bomb that you saw in the video before. And here, this whole picture has shifted. And this is the impact that we see on the main. Not that we could do something with small drones or weapons of small caliber. They were all nicely hardened structures. So we decided to go with long-range weapons to keep ourselves safe from their air defenses, but at the same time, accurate weapons to get the targets while not causing any other damage to the areas around. And special emphasis throughout has been that there should be minimum civilian casualties who are not involved with this.
तो ये बड़ा खुलासा है एयर मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह की तरफ से, जानकारी देते हुए सबूतों के साथ वो बता रहे कि आखिर किस तरीके से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर जो है वो प्लान आउट किया गया और 6 पाकिस्तानी जो जेट्स हैं उनको तबाह किया गया है।